The 2008 Dodge Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun with its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6. The Dakota brings you the ultimate midsize pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, running boards, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.